Recently, Google was home to us a nano model that was very excellent and all people relied on it to make artificial intelligence images.
But in the last days,
Did Google launch the Nano?
Banana Pro, and you made a ring about it?
Before that? Extremely powerful because this model, guys, is a legendary model.
Because it shows pictures with very high quality and takes details from your face or whatever picture I gave him.
In an unnatural way, and what? It was better and better and better.
Do not simply create accurate Arabic text on images with varying styles and phonemes. This concept once stretched imagination. Today, I'm sharing multiple free methods you can utilize to achieve this. The link for use is provided in the description and pinned comment. If you enjoy our content, support us by subscribing, liking the video, and activating notifications to ensure you know when new episodes are uploaded. Engage with us in the comments to help us grow and extend the video's reach to a wider audience. I'm your guide, Ibrahim Mahdi. Let's delve into the explanation.
Okay, in principle, it is like this. Today I bring you two methods. The one is that you use the Nano Banana Pro in the traditional way that almost all people know through the Gemini website, which is famous, of course, from Google. And the second method is that the site is very storytelling, but focus with us because this works on the mobile phone. On the computer, there is no problem. As for you, whatever device you use, you will be able to take nano pictures with Nano Pro. Focus with me at the beginning. We will start. Of course, this is what all people know, of course. It is limited in use and it has a watermark, but of course you can try the Nano Banana Pro and you have a respectable daily quota. So let us try it like this, but also because people who do not know or have tricks as well must understand it or fill it. When you open it, you will of course find this interface. If I work like this, the picture appears, but with the model that I am our old son. Okay? In order to use the new model, what will we do? We will come here to the word fast and choose the thinker model from. 10 codes, is this what I should focus on with me? You have tools here, as you can see, from which we will choose to create pictures. Of course, here I am telling you that it is available, Gemini Rich. We will say, how about trying it? We chose the image creation model from Jimmy. For example, I want to edit the image for me. I want to make a beautiful image while I am in the image. We will come here and click on it. And after that, we click on upload these files. This is a picture as you see here. The most important thing is to have a clear image directly in front of the camera so that your file can be viewed accurately. Here we will write to him the request that you want to make in the picture. What do you want to do? What do you want to wear? Where do you want to stand? What you want to write here? I will write you a simple request so that you can understand it. How do you write the request? I block here a realistic landscape cinematic shot 16:9. Of course, this is so that we can make a picture size that is wide, for example, like YouTube, for example. But if you want it to be a long size, we will reflect it. We will make it 9:16, so focus on this point and write the size for him. He is sitting in my country's cafe in an old Egyptian neighborhood. The scene and details are warm lighting from a yellow extended lamp, wooden chairs and dilapidated tables. Children playing in the background, peeling stone walls, with hanging electricity. Arabic texts remained so that Arabic text could be written with a shop sign in the background bearing the name Teacher's Coffee. Here it remained in a newspaper in the person's hand bearing the title Al-Ahram. The style remains and the style is realistic, dark, self-colors. And of course, here are sharp details. Your code movie, all of this is to give us these details. You can leave it or whatever, of course. A chatbot assists in crafting claims. We click this arrow to initiate image creation for us, as shown here. It takes a lot of time. This model is extremely fast. In less than a minute, you will find him making the picture for you. Do you see how the picture is made? Do you let us grow her up like that? What do you think? The teacher's coffee, the electric wires, the massager, the place that is worn, and the children in the background, the coffee. Al-Ahram newspaper is here. It is in this place, as you can see my features. I am 1,000%, not 100%. This really means that I am really a legendary nano model in making images with unnatural accuracy. Even the yellow lamp has nothing to hide. Literally, I save it, of course, by clicking here on this arrow so that we can download the image on our device. Of course, there's a watermark here, okay? The second site we use does not have watermarks, and it will work with you on the mobile phone and on the computer, and the quality will be higher than that, and this is what you will see for yourself. Of course, this is the picture that I brought here, of course, and we will zoom in as you can see. Give me the features of Wadi Al-Qaliti and look and see how the quality is treated, how terrible quality is, and Al-Ahram newspaper is exactly as you see it. The logo of the real Al-Ahram newspaper is there, and you will find it at the top as you see coffee, teacher. Everything comes in extraordinary detail, really terrible. Okay, we will go to the second fleet site, which is our site. Of course, we will check this to verify that you are a human being, meaning not a bot, and it will start opening in the way you see it. This site collects all AI models, and the advantage is that it is already free because you are supposed to vote for whichever model is stronger, and there will be comparisons, and it will be very written. All we will do is click on login here to register an account, which can be registered through Google directly. After we register, we will come to the top here. We will click on the word D and choose. Of course here, this will be normal. If you click here, you will find all the chatbot models you can imagine right here. Can you use any of them? Okay, if we want to take pictures, should we come to the one that marks these pictures and click on them like this? He chose us as a model. It Gemini 3 Pro image, and if we click, you will find all the models that make pictures are also available here, but we will work on the Nano with our Pro. We will also click here on this plus because as you can see, I brought the picture for him here. Also here, we will write him a demand, but this time let's write another demand. This time I made him demand that he be in a market like a vegetable market like this, the Friday market. Of course, there are also texts written on eggs, and I made the description for the cable that we want. The most important thing is that you do not forget to write sizes 16 to 9, so if you want to make a wide picture, you must take care of this point. We will press this arrow and we wait, and in a minute he will make a picture for us like this, and he will generate the picture. By the way, when you come to make another picture, do not write a description along. No, you must give him the reference picture again. Here is the picture made. Click on it. It opened as you can see. I'm here, guys. Here is my manga, the wholesale price, and I will bring you a manga. Everything you need. The picture is terribly realistic. Even I write after that in the demand that the floor is wet, I bring the Arab wet floor. People look real, even people who, of course, wear niqab, hijab, and things. Actually, whoever sees the picture is a real picture. Really terrible, of course, so that we can carry the picture. Right-click on it like this to save it and press on a sword at the bottom. This is how the image is saved. Let's try a second request. Of course, we click here on a reply. He will click on this plus and get the reference picture again. Here we will write him a new demand. We gave him the demand. It is okay. It is a man, of course, and he is sitting with his family, wife, and children on the balcony of an Egyptian apartment. Be careful because, of course, this scene will be completely different. We will click here to respond to this arrow and let's see the result. By the way, if he tells you the word, for example, red, press the word retry. Or try it with him, he will do it. Because sometimes he is under very intense pressure, he can do an iron for you once and then he starts to do the picture normally. Of course, here is the work of the picture. We can enlarge it and make a wife and children. Of course, it means beautifully until the word was written. We trust in God for the blessings. It is exactly as written in the request. Everything was done with extraordinary precision. Also, click right and save image so that we can save the picture and make it a sword. What do you think? He brought the form and demands with terrible precision. Okay, if you have, for example, a black and white picture and you want to color it, for example, then let's... With this point, here I brought him as you see the picture. This is a black and white scratched picture and her life in the country will be written for it, but two words here are fix the picture, clarify the details, and color it in realistic colors, and we will click on this arrow and let us see the result with you. What do you think? Do you see the scratches? The color of the picture is very realistic and the website works on a mobile phone on a computer, and there are no watermarks in the pictures, as you can see. Thus, I will explain to you how you can use the new Nano Banana Pro model. It is very wonderful, 100% free, without limits, without marks. I hope at the end of the video that you like it. But if you like your video, this is the first time you are following us. I hope you support us by subscribing. Like the notifications action to receive a notification when I present a new episode. I was with you. I am Ibrahim Mahdi. I see you, Lord, always well. Hello.
Generate by AI.